look at what we have done is we have come up for the first time in the history of jewelry a new concept, a new creative concept and a product concept focused on bridal jewelry as a segment. And India Bridal Fashion, it's all about fashion, all about leading the trends as far as bridal fashion in India is concerned. So we see a perfect match for the consumers to benefit out of seeing Azwa jewelry complementing the best that India has seen in terms of fashion for the bridal segment. Azwa is inspired by traditional Indian wedding concept around Saat Feras, is the 7 vows, and the inspiration is based on these concepts. So everything, if you see right from the brand name to the logo, is based on the idea of number 7 and inspired by that. If you look at product designs, all the products are also taking inspiration from that, and the concept has been integrated in terms of use of different elements. 7 circles, 7 petals, 7 rows, 7 petals in a flower. All of that has been combined beautifully to make it a complete offering based on one concept, which is inspired by traditional Indian weddings. If you look at World Gold Council's prime focus is on market development, with launch of Azwa, which is utilizing the best of craftsmanship from the country and focusing on a creative concept for the modern Indian brides. Our expectation is that Azwa is going to redefine what fashion means in bridal jewelry segment in the country. Right at the beginning, when we started working on Azwa as a concept, what we found was that the modern Indian brides were looking for products that not only satisfy their ever-changing needs in terms of aspiration around fashion, but also look at products that could go beyond the wedding day, bring the jewelry out of locker. And if you look at the entire interpretation of a traditional concept, for Azwa has been done with very modern salutes. The elements are based around a creative idea, but done in a very modern interpretation of some of the best craftsmanship in India. So this is one concept that we are seeing, which is based on a lot of research work that we have done, and so this is one of the important findings that I can highlight for you. Youth is no doubt, if you look at entire market, youth is an equally important segment of the market. But if we see our moment for the day is to celebrate bridal jewelry in the country. This is the first time we have unveiled a new concept in gold bridal jewelry, and we are very excited about it. As we go along and have more ideas and more details that we can share, we'll be happy to come back and talk to you about that.